Child, I know I'm doing this wrong.
When do I look at the camera? When do I look? Hi, what a surprise that you're here. Look at my face. I can't wait to show you more of my face.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisha Brittany, and if you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning brat, it is so very good to see you again. I have always wanted to try blonde hair. Now, I'm not a big fan of dyeing your natural hair just because of how damaging it can be, and I know that my uptake of my natural hair is kind of on the lazy side, so I figured why not start it out with a wig. YouTube, you'll see that there are so many Amazon reviews for wigs that some are really good and some don't come out really good. So I was like, you know what, let me take a gamble. I didn't really want to buy anything that was super expensive because I have not experience in wearing wigs at all. So this was the wig that I got, and she's actually really cute. The color is really cute. It's like brown with like honey blonde streaks, and I mean, it's really cute. But because I am a new wiggy, I guess you could say, I messed it up a little bit. So yeah, I pretty much jacked this wig up. There is a hole in the lace, and I don't know, for my first wig it was cute and I think I overplucked it, but I'm going to try to do something a little different. I'm thinking about cutting some bangs and having it just like curly because this is a really cute color for the spring, you know, and I just want to be a blonde for a little bit. So if you want to see how I am going to transform or try to transform this wig into something that's cute and wearable, make sure to stay on watching. Alright babies, so after you apply your wig as you normally would any wig, make sure that you have it secured down enough, and in this instance where you are going to be cutting bangs into your wig, it doesn't necessarily matter how neat or how lined up your edges are. Just make sure that it's lined up enough for the glue not to stick too harshly on your edges, and make sure that you're removing your wigs properly. Do not be snatching them off because we do not need bald edges. Sis, it's hot. I know you're gonna want knotless braids, so please take care of your edges. Now that the wig is secure, we are going to separate the hair into sections. I am creating a bang, not really a bump bang, but because I know that I'm going to be curling this style, it's not really too important how straight it is. Maybe if I were blow drying it straight, it would be definitely, you know, very important for me to straighten that out. So I'm just gonna start by getting the curls together because the longer you have your curl pinned, the better it's gonna be. I curl my hair in two different methods. Sometimes I use a barrel curl or a curling wand, and then most of the times I use this clamp curler. For the most part, I think my curls look a little bit better when I use the clamp curler, only because when you use the curling wand, I don't know, I feel like I'm always trying to avoid getting burnt because I don't have the glove. So when you're doing the curls, just make sure that you are, you know, being very careful, not leaving the heat on the hair too long. Even though this is a weave, it definitely is still able to get burnt. You want to make sure that you are, you know, twisting and clamping the curl the way that you want it to fall, and very quickly make sure to pin it up so that the curl lasts. need this clip in here specifically because all curls are not made equal, just like no two snowflakes are alike. I feel the same rule applies for curls. As you can see here, the curl kind of didn't take all the way, and that's okay because I have this handy dandy round brush, and you guys, I'm trying to tell you, the curl will come out just the same. Make sure that it is a round brush because if you do use a straight brush, it will kind of like straighten it out, but wait and stay tuned to the end so you can see just exactly how and what I'm talking about. We're getting to the side part, or like I call it the front half of the bang. You're gonna see me go ahead and after this curl, I'm gonna go ahead and trim it. And the reason that I'm trimming it is just because I feel like if I were to have a really short bang and then just one really long curl, it would look kind of off. So here you see me kind of trimming it, and I'm just going down on an angle, you guys. It's super simple. Again, the curl is going to make it look better. Do not be worried if your cut is a little crooked. It really takes practice and it's super easy. If you guys would like to see a tutorial on how I do cut layers in my curls, just make sure to leave a comment down below and I will get that out to you guys. So here you guys, I put on some makeup and just tried to let the curls sit for a little bit. I did my nails and I just made sure that I sprayed my hair really good with some hairspray in between. So I think that was about maybe a 20 to 30 minute time period of me not doing anything. So now I'm going ahead and taking out the pins, and you guys, it's going to be really tight at first, but once you start to comb out and fix your hair and style it how you want to, I promise you, you will not look like Richard Simmons. Guys, and as you can see, we are nearing to the end of the video. At this point, I'm really loving how the hair is styled. I'm just going through and kind of finger coiling and picking and pulling apart the curls. This part is all up to your preference, you guys. Just make sure that you're not over, you know, brushing or twisting, because you will lose the body of the curl. And these curls can last a while. If you're going to pin them at night, make sure to kind of finger coil them. Style is desired. I thought my bangs were a little too long, so I was just going ahead and, you know, getting them all straight. But you guys, I absolutely love how this style came out. This was perfect for the concept that I was going for, and I would definitely wear this out. This is definitely giving me blonde spring summertime vibes. If you guys like this video and how I edited it, please just make sure to leave a comment down below. Make sure to share this video with a friend, and as always guys, subscribe. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to leave a comment, and as always, stay blessed. Bye guys.